How actually Korean secret beauty. Let me unlocking the secrets of Korean beauty. Hi guys, this is Nadine, and now I will give you a beauty tips. Welcome to the world of Korean beauty, where glowing skin is the ultimate goal. Today, we're diving into ancient secrets and modern tips. Korean beauty focuses on prevention and maintenance, a philosophy that teaches us to nurture our skin daily. It's not just skincare, it's self-care. Physical, mental, emotional, social, and environmental. One foundational tip is the double cleansing method. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and follow with a water-based cleanser for impurities. The note is whenever you're tired, sleepy, lazy, please to clean your face first or tomorrow you will get acne. Hydration is the cornerstone of Korean beauty. Layering products like toners, essences, and serums helps lock in moisture for that dewy, radiant look. That will make you get a glass skin, everyone's dream skin. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Applying and reapplying 2-finger sunscreen protects skin from premature aging and keeps it clear and bright. This is some product recommendations. Sheet masks, packed with concentrated serums, are a must for targeted treatments. Incorporating them into your routine can address specific skin concerns effectively. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a consistent routine. Patience and persistence with these beauty secrets can unveil your skin's best version. Day by day will be better. I know you can do it. Okay, guys, that is my tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Go!